So that was SIFT descriptor, and again a little complicated than HOG, but if you think about this, it's kind of combining both your corner detection, which has ideas from filtering and edge detection and all, and then combining that with HOG, how you can extract features from your edges. So it is like in a way a complete package, and it gives you very good set of features, and it's still used like today because the features are actually very powerful. And one thing I would like to share is, I mean, we are currently actually doing some research on these local features, for example, SIFT. And still today, like after all these years with deep learning research, there are some aspects or some areas where SIFT features are actually much more powerful than the CNN features. Okay, I won't share more about that, but of course, if you're interested, you can come to office hours. I will be happy to talk about it. But it's like ongoing research and like something interesting I wanted to share. Okay, so this is like a quick recap of local descriptors, and so most of these features which we have studied, they are based on histograms, right? HOG was based on histogram, then even SIFT we were computing histogram of gradients. And you can have templates as well. So template is something when you are filtering, when you're performing filtering, right? So that in a way, for example, even the Laplacian of Gaussian, that's the template you're actually looking for in an input image. And you can change that template. Okay. So, and then it's combination of these two most of the times. And again, these are just like very common properties which we want to have in these features. They should be robust, they should be distinctive, and of course, they should be compact and as well as efficient. Okay, and so far we have seen like most of these descriptors are actually just focusing on edges or gradient information, which is interesting. But of course, like we can have some descriptors which are maybe only utilizing color information as well, right? For example, if we have some problem where color plays a very important role.